Hello learners. Welcome to 7th video of this TypeScript tutorial. In this video, we will learn about objects and tuples in TypeScript. In the last video we have gone through the concept of arrays and its methods in TypeScript. If you have not watched that video, you can watch it now. If you are new to this channel, I would request you to please subscribe, like this video, and share it with your friends. If you are not following this TypeScript playlist, I would request you to please follow this TypeScript full course playlist. You will get the link in the I button or in the description box. Stick to this video till the end. Let's get started with the video. When we talk about tuples in TypeScript, a tuple is a typed array with a predefined length and types for each index. Tuples can be named tuples. Named tuples allow us to provide context for our values at each index. Let's understand this with a quick demonstration. Here, in this example you can see we have explicitly defined the data types of the tuples. Also it is important to maintain the sequence of values in the format it is defined. According to the example, the sequence is number, then boolean, and then string. So, this sequence should be maintained properly. Similar to arrays, you can also modify the values of tuple. You can also set tuple to read-only, which will stop you from further modification in the tuples. This property is common for arrays as well. As we have discussed, we can also set context for each values in a tuple, which will make it a named tuple. Next concept we have object. Objects are fundamental data structures used to store collections of key-value pairs, also known as properties. In TypeScript, we get an extra advantage to explicitly define the types of the object properties. Let's deep dive and look into the demonstration. Objects also allows to modify the values initialized, but with a condition that the new value should match its type. As you can see, if we try to modify the value of full name with a number value, it throws error. This is the characteristic of TypeScript, called type inference, as we have discussed in our previous videos. Additionally, For objects we can also explicitly define the value types. Now, let's learn how we can define optional properties in an object. You can see as we have removed the channel property, there is an error line showing under obj. You can make any property in an object optional by adding a question mark after the property name. Once a property is marked as optional, it's completely up to you whether you want to assign a value to it or leave it undefined. Now, let's proceed and learn how to define a nested object. Nested object means object inside an object. Here, it is showing an error, which tells us to define the type of the nested object. So, let's fix it. This was all in this video, hope you loved it. If you like this channel, help us grow, like this video, subscribe to this channel and share this video with your friends. Do access the playlist from the description and join our Discord server from the link in the description. Share your feedback in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.